The undersink water heater BI-2.5 offers an impressive rapid heating capability, ensuring hot water is available within seconds, making it a perfect choice for quick access in various settings. This compact unit boasts an energy-saving design that minimizes heat loss and achieves high thermal efficiency, contributing to reduced energy consumption. Its robust construction, made from high-quality stainless steel, ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it a reliable option for long-term use. The water heater is incredibly versatile, with a compact design that fits seamlessly under sinks or in tight spaces, ideal for residential or mobile settings. Safety is a priority with this model, offering multiple protections such as over-temperature, dry heating, and leakage prevention, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Installation is straightforward, with easy-to-follow instructions and necessary fittings included, allowing for hassle-free setup without professional assistance.